I'd been getting migraines severely, like, I mean all the way to my back and vomiting, and it just got to the point where even the emergency room doctor was saying, stop coming here. You need to figure out what's really going on. We can't keep drugging you all the time. And I was taking like 5 or 6 pills, and I was just feeling so drowsy. Tightness in my jaw. I've become more aware of holding my breath. I've catch myself doing it all the time and feel this like tense in my face all the time. And I'm always tense back in the back of my neck and right shoulder in particular. I would go and press on my eyes like right here. I can immediately like almost feel myself getting a headache. Like I can force myself into a headache pushing on my... And when I get a headache, I can draw all the pain to the insides of my eyes when I press on them. In the morning, when I wake up, I have like tightness. I wouldn't say severe, like I can, you know, go, but I feel tight right here, and I was tested to see, you know, if I had any asthma or any breathing help, and I don't, but I feel definitely tightness in the morning. I do stop breathing a lot, like if I'm at the computer or if I'm driving the car and I'm thinking, I'll stop and be like, oh, I haven't taken a breath in a while, and so sometimes I feel like in order to get the liquid down, I feel like I swallowed twice.
Yeah, that's going to feel very weird.
Mm-hmm. Just I feel like the air from and I can do it when I open my mouth, but I can feel the air from my nose like hit the back of my throat almost, which is like, I don't know, I never feel when I breathe through my nose that feeling before. Yeah, it's like instant, like I feel like, I don't know, I feel good right here all of a sudden. Yeah, just less tense, I'd say, in this area. Normally I feel like maybe kind of a throbbing right here, but I don't feel like it's as tense. I feel like a relief here. It felt like cloggy before, but I just feel like, oh, I'm like really taking in like a lot of air. I felt it like, I don't know. And I feel more calm. It's awesome to feel like this much air, like in my chest, like the lightness. I normally feel really heavy, and my tongue feels like it's just kind of sitting in place, where a moment ago it felt like it was kind of straining. Overall, like a total difference just in this region. I feel like, I don't know, like I brightened my, I don't know if that's the right way to describe it, but I feel like more aware and more like, more energy all of a sudden. This feels relaxed, this feels relaxed, and I don't know, I feel like I just had caffeine or something. I haven't had a headache all week, which has been like so awesome. And I normally wake up pretty much every morning with a little pain, and I haven't had any this week. So I've been like working out and like doing normal things that I used to do that I didn't do before, so that's been really cool. I mean, literally, I would like wake up kind of like skeptical every morning, like, oh my gosh, I don't have one. It's been really, I mean, awesome. Like normally I can't get out of bed, and this week's been like, I'm up. I don't know, it's been good. Just when I'm running, I honestly didn't even know if I was supposed to wear it while I was running, but I was like, I want to try it out and see if it feels any different. I mean, I haven't run in, well, months, and just in terms of this week, I was back up to like 1.5 miles, like jogging, and because I feel like I'm taking in so much more air. Like normally after I'm done working out, I feel like dehydrated feeling, like I'm getting like a headache and like compressing, and that's sort of why I stopped, because then my headache would turn into a migraine. And so when I was running, I just felt like open and like more, I don't know, I could not get over how I felt like I was taking a full breath. I mean, it was unlike any feeling I've had before. Like, I'm breathing, I don't know. And I don't have that tension headache after I'm done. I mean, I like tell everybody, I'm like, I feel like I'm breathing for the first time. And the pain is gone. I'm like, it's insane.
So you had eye pain for...
Constantly, probably over a year. I could just put my hands right here and I would have instant pain. Like all the pain in my head I could draw to right here, and I mean, I feel nothing. I can press as hard as I want and I don't feel like pain from around my head, like, you know, converging to that pinpoint. So I'm like, I always, like, my students will like catch me doing that. I'm like, I just cannot get over, like, I have no pain there. I used to always feel pain behind my eyes and pressure. And there's no pressure back there anymore.